Alright, so as you can see, I am at $168 so far for today, and I only spent $18 to get these results. Let me refresh the screen because, somebody always got to point it out. Still the same number. And basically what I did was for my traffic, I spent $18 on an Instagram influencer. Not in the Fortnite niche, but I just want to use this as an example so y'all can see what I do. But basically, I just find pages similar to this, whatever niche I'm in, whether I'm doing woodworking, weight loss, make money online, gaming, no matter what I'm doing. You want to just find Instagram influencers like this. This page got almost 800,000 followers. So buying a promo from them is probably going to be around $30 to $100 for a story post, maybe even a page post and whatever. And as you can see right here, they say email for promos. What I do is just basically just reach out to them and say, hey, I'm interested in the promo. What are your rates? Blah, blah, blah. They tell you their prices. Then, once y'all agree on the price, then they'll tell you basically send me your promo material. So send me your link, send me your Insta story, send me your page post, whatever you're doing. And for example, let's say I'm inside the Fortnite niche. I was offering, say my giveaway was 13,500 V-Bucks. The V-Bucks is basically a virtual currency that you can get inside of this game. So I'm trying to see if they got in one of those pictures. Well, yeah, basically it costs, you need V-Bucks to buy, gear and stuff like that. So if you want this costume, you need 2,000 V-Bucks. So what I did with CPA marketing, how I tied it into there, basically telling them they can get 13,500 V-Bucks just by swiping up. And, when they swipe up, you got to give the influencer your landing page. And I created a landing page inside of ClickFunnels to promote offers similar to this. So, for example, they go from this swipe up, 13,500 V-Bucks. They go to my landing page right here. Get 13,500 V-Bucks for completing a Fortnite survey. Limited time only, first 100 users. I got some fake proof that I got off of Google. Basically somebody, V-Bucks proof. And yeah, I just added an emoji onto this. You must complete one survey to get your V-Bucks. Then my call to action says, yes, give me my V-Bucks. And you might be asking, okay, what offer would you promote for this? What I do is go back to MaxBounty, go to the search campaigns, and you basically just want to find offers, especially if you're new, starting out with Instagram influencers or paid traffic in general. You want to go with CPL offers. CPL offers is cost per lead, or basically you can get paid for, simple email submits, phone number submits, stuff like that. So, if I'm searching for a campaign, I like to deselect everything but social media or whatever traffic source that I'm using. But, Instagram, it is social media. So leave that checked. My approved offer, so you don't have to fill out an application. CPA lead type, dollar per lead, countries. You can do United States or all countries. But yeah, like I said, surveys is a very popular niche, and it's a lot of converting offers that I've made money with myself. And from there, you can just click on search. First thing I like to do is always sort it by EPC. The higher the EPC, the better the offer converts. So if you got an offer that pays out like $1 with an EPC of like 30, 40 cents, then you know that offer converts. That's like basically, for instance, if an offer paid out $1 and it got a 30-cent EPC, you know that 1 out of 3 people is going to convert. Just adding that up, with the Instagram influencer, say he charged you $50 for a story promo, and say out of 759,000 followers that's already interested in Fortnite, say only 100 of those people go and fill out a survey to get their 13,500 V-Bucks. Then you make $100 and you only spent 50, so you doubling your money. I went way past doubling my money today, and I still got 3 more hours left in the day. So like I said, I spent $18 on the Instagram influencer that I found inside of my niche, and it's tallying up pretty quick. And mind you, I stopped doing Instagram influencers for a while because I mainly do Bing ads and Facebook ads, but Instagram influencers is hot, still hot, and been hot. A lot of people mainly use Instagram influencers for drop shipping, but I feel like it's more beneficial with CPA and affiliate marketing, being that you don't have to deal with customer service, order fulfillment, refunds, chargebacks, all that crazy stuff. It's literally you, just a middleman, pocketing money. And all you got to do is know how to set up simple ads that know how to attract people. So like I said, people that's in the Fortnite niche, they want free V-Bucks. They're all mainly kids play this game for the most part. And when they get a chance to get some free V-Bucks, they'll lose their mind and do whatever they need to do to make it happen. So it'd be people, let's say for instance, I think I already said it, but if I wanted this skin, like if I was still playing Fortnite, I would definitely get this skin. It's 2,000 V-Bucks. A lot of people don't got the money for it because this would probably cost like $10 in real cash to get 2,000 V-Bucks. But if you can get 13,000 for free, of course you're going to go ahead and do it. Go out, fill out the survey. Even though it is kind of misleading because, well, not kind of, it is misleading because they're not about to get no V-Bucks or whatever. But hey, matter of fact, if you go over to MaxBounty, I believe they got some Fortnite campaigns already. So yeah, they got Fortnite campaigns already inside of MaxBounty. You go and search it. I might be rejected from the offers, I believe. So yeah, if you, more than likely you are approved if you never promoted this offer, but you can get 300 actions per day. So that basically means you can basically get 300 people to fill out this offer per day before you hit your cap, and 300 people times $2.40. It's over 600. I think that's about $640 you can make off this just starting out. And if you can hit your cap consistently, your affiliate manager will reach the cap. So for instance, they start you at 300, they'll probably raise it to 700, or if you're doing that good, they'll probably raise it to 1,000. And then from there, you would be able to make, 2,000, I think it's like $2,400 a day if they raise your cap to 1,000. But yeah, this offer has a network EPC of 7 cents. Not the best. I prefer 30 cents and above. But yeah, that's basically all I'm doing, just finding offers inside of popular niches. You can even go to a website like ClickBank. For those who don't know, ClickBank is like an informational marketplace where you can get, products, and they even got physical products in all of these different categories. Even just taking one of these examples real quick. It's one of my favorite examples. Woodworking. This is the most popular woodworking offer on ClickBank. Pays out $53 initial sale. Has a gravity of 206. That basically means that's 206 different people who recently made a sale promoting that product. So this is a hot offer, and it has a rebill of $100, or average rebill of $104. And if we check out the sales page, they basically can get access. This offer is all about, getting to the largest collection of woodworking plans, which is 16,000 that they can get from here. Now, if I was going to promote this, I would go and find a ton of different influencers inside the woodworking niche and reach out to them so I can get some promos on their page. Now, a lot of them, they promoting the offer themselves, so they probably wouldn't promote yours. But, just find people or find influencers that don't promote any links inside their bio or say email me for promos. Those are the ones you want to find and reach out to. So here we go, right here. This is somebody I would go to, 576,000 followers, DM or email for promo shout out. Now, before I would go and reach out to them, I'll check their engagement on their page and see if, because a lot of times some pages, they might overcharge you, they might undercharge you. So it's just a matter of just reaching out to them on a consistent basis. But yeah, check out the engagement, see. Now, me personally, being that this page got over 500,000 followers, I expected a little more likes on average per post. Like I really expected like 10, 15,000 per post, but they probably had this page for a while, so really can't blame them for that. But yeah, another way you can find more pages inside of your niche is clicking the drop down arrow if you're on desktop. I think they got it on mobile too. But all these suggestions, you can open all of these in a different tab, check out they pages, and reach out to them, whichever ones you like and feel like you want to do business with. Reach out to them, discuss some prices. They definitely gonna ask you for your promo material once y'all agree on a price, and all you gotta do is just whip up a quick ad using Canva. It's free. It's a Photoshop alternative, or you can even go to Fiverr.com and have somebody make you a swipe up ad for you. It'll be even more professional and better looking. But yeah, man, if y'all want more training on how I did this step by step, I actually go over inside of my beginner's course the exact offer that I'm using, the exact ads that I use, the landing page, everything you need to set this same exact funnel up. And let me refresh the screen. I thought I was gonna get another commission by now, but yeah, man, if you want more access to this, you can get access to my CPA affiliate marketing beginners course in the description down below. And if you're watching this video at the time of me making this video, you can get access to it for 50% off, because the course is going up to, if you're watching this video anytime after May 3rd, the course then already went up to $49. But nonetheless, man, it'll be super value packed for the money. Spending $18 to make $168, I take that any day of the week, and I will pay hundreds of dollars for a course that teaches me that. So like I said, if you go at the time of me making this video, this course is priced at $10, and it will never ever be this cheap again. So yeah, man, definitely go and check that out. This is the members area. Basically go over the basics in the first module. Go over MaxBounty, website setup, Facebook training, Craigslist training in detail, and Instagram training. This right here, this exact, where is it? Right here. Version 3 case study number 1 is basically this exact funnel step by step. And the great thing about it too, I just updated this whole entire course. So y'all in for a treat, man. Y'all getting access to some super crazy information for the price that it's at right now. Especially if you got in on the course while I said $10, whether it was $50 or $100. This course It's definitely worth the money. You know, I put a lot of time and effort into this course, and I know y'all will love it, man. So if y'all interested in that, you know, I'll leave links below this video or in the comment section down below. Yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. I reply to everybody. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I post videos like this on a regular basis about CPA, affiliate marketing, make money online, things like that. But that's all I got for this video. I'll see y'all in the next